Okay, so I'm Joshua Finn from J&H Aerospace.
I'm Tyler Feckenpaw from Crawford County High School.
I'm Ethan Crosby from Crawford County High School.
So what we're doing today is we're building the 2020 version of the Senior Flyer ROG for TSA Flight Endurance Competition. Best time so far is 2:56 under a 22-foot 8-inch ceiling, and I did not touch the ceiling, went to about 20 feet. So flew on a loop of 072 TAM Super Sport, and you'll have to refer to the flight video for how many turns and whatnot. I believe it was 100 turns back off and then landed with 100 turns.
Now that you come in, you have to introduce yourself.
Say your name.
Yeah, you have to introduce yourself.
David Shepard, TSA advisor for these guys.
Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get started with the build. So, so we have the rib sets here, and the way this works is you've got enough rib sets for 4 wings and 3 horizontal stabilizers. And so the thick curved ribs are the ones that you're going to use to build the wing, and then the thin ones are for the horizontal stab. And so I'm actually going to have you guys get started on that. We're building the horizontals, well, you're going to build a total of 4 wings. These parts here are the spars, and they're the same for both the wing and the stab. So you're going to pop all those out. Let's see here. That's going to give you a wing, a wing, a wing, a wing, a stab, a stab. So you can actually just build from one sheet here. Both of you can. And then have this one for spare for when we do all that. You have to introduce yourself to the camera. Nope, not going to do it. You'll have to do it later.
Alright, so we're using these, right?
Yes.
I don't need this.
For the time being, you won't.
And we need our...
Alright, so what we have here is both of the ribs are actually, I'll come over there, like this. So Tyler has glued the outer ribs in, and now he's bringing in the second spar on this guy. And we don't have wax paper, so it's fun. And so this is just a thing of you've got to cut all of these spars out, and so we're building 2 complete airplanes here to have a complete fleet for this team. Alright, so this is what you're looking for. Now, if you notice, the ribs are more curved on the front, so you want all of the ribs aligned going the same way, and then they just snap into little notches here, and you do want the ribs all the way into the notches to maintain the wing chord limit. And that's especially important here at the middle because the spars are actually tapered in from the outside, so the wing gets wider in the middle by 1/8 of an inch. And so we're doing the wings, and then remember the lesser curved ribs are for the stab. They do also have a front and a back to them. Alright, so we have a completed wing here and 2 more back there. And so Tyler is building out his stab here with his rib sideways. Don't build your ribs sideways. The laser marks go
This is what not to do.
the laser marks go top and bottom. So a little bit on the fiddly side, some of those, but no different from what we've done before. And so all of that is scrap. You do want to save this in the event that you need interplane struts to stabilize your biplane wings. Keep those around. Show us what you got here, Tyler.
I have all 3 sets of wings done. The 2 on the front and on the back.
Yep. And everything looks good. We did have one that decided to set up before we get it aligned properly. Oh well, that's gonna just rob so many milliseconds off of the flight. Mainly just annoy the other teams. So,
Yeah.
and so we've got the other stab under construction here, and Ethan's wings. So that's basically how you do your flying surfaces.